Hello, students. Hi, and I hope you all are fine. Okay, so again, welcome to e-learning session. So now I'm going to start the chapter number 4, Indian States of SST. So open your book. Page number is 229. Okay, the name of this chapter is Indian States. And in this chapter, what will we learn? So in this chapter, we will learn the names of states and union territories with their capital and function of states and central government. Okay, wow, what will we know? So this is a very interesting chapter, so you have to listen very carefully if you want to learn anything. ठीक है? So in this chapter there is the political map of India. So it is a very beautiful picture because this is the picture of our country India. May I write, children? Of course, I am right. Okay. So our country India is also known as Bharat. The word India is derived from the name of river Indus. India is the seventh largest country in the world. It measures around 3,200 kilometers from north to south and 3 north to south and about 3,000 kilometers from east to west. Our neighbors are Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and China. There are 28 states in India. Delhi is the capital of our country. This is the very important facts about our country. So you have to learn all things. Okay. Each state or union territories had its own capital. See the list of states and their respective capitals cities. Okay, so now turn your page, children. So here you can see the names of states and their capitals. So I will not repeat again because I have already repeated this chapter. Okay, this is your revision class, don't forget. So these are all 28 states and their capital. Note, the former state of Jammu and Kashmir was uh, bifurcated, इसको अलग कर दिया गया. Okay, the former state of Jammu and Kashmir was bifurcated into two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay, now we will know about the central government. What is the central government? We have a government that runs the country. We call it the central government or the union government. Both are same. Central government and union government, both are same. Okay, the head of the central government is called the president. The head of the central government is called president and he has a council of minister to help him. The head of these minister is called the prime minister. Okay, children. So do you know who is the prime minister of India right now? So Mr. Narendra Das Damodar Modi is the present prime minister of India. Okay, so come to the page number 231. The capital of country is a place from where the central government operates. Delhi is the capital of India. The president, prime minister and all other important officials of the central government have their offices in the national capital. So now we will know about the state government. There are two types of government, central government and state government. Okay, so I have already explained about the central government. So now I am going to start the explaining about the state government. What is the state government? Each state of India has its own government called the state government. The head of the state government is called the governor and he has council of minister to help him. The head of these ministers is called the chief minister. Okay, so each state sets on capital. The governor, the chief minister, and all other important offices of the state's government have their offices in the state capital. Some parts of the country are not under any state government. They are directly under the union government. They are called union territories. Each union territories had its own capital. Okay. So now keywords. President. What is the president? So the head of the central government. Who is prime minister? The head of union council of ministers. Who is governor? The head of the state government. And who is chief minister? The chief minister of the state council of ministers. And here you have to learn the many things. You have to learn. Okay, not I will learn. You have to learn. Okay, there are 28 states. How many states? 28 states. The central government look after the affairs of the whole country, and for better governance some affairs are left to the states. They are looked after by the state governments. Number 4, the head of the central government is the president, and the head of the state government is governor. Okay, so this chapter is over. We have learned many things and now you have to learn all things. Okay, so thank you children, have a nice day.